Hey everyone, it's Thursday and welcome back to Mental Pick. So for today, we got a total of 40 Amazon leads from online arbitrage for you guys. So we got a new website, which is the Wrap Shop. So let's check out all the deals from here today. As starter. So you could earn a profit of 8.26 with an ROI of 55% for this deal. Patisserie Dome plush decoration. Another one is 17.83 pounds profit with an ROI of 71% from this Bashful Fudge Puppy medium size. And lastly, gel cut Sheldon with a profit of 16.36 and an ROI of 74%. So good deals from one website, which is a new one. So check out all our latest websites uploaded here on our channel, guys, for you to see all the latest leads and promos that we have gathered and sourced for you. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this free extra money channel. Check out all these four sections. We got review giveaways, affiliate income, job opportunities, and bounty bonus waiting for you guys. So check them out if you're interested. And we got a bot channel for you, which is an Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips. You guys are already familiar with it. There you go. You can see all the latest deals that you could sell from Amazon here. Another bot-operated channel is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the leads and price drop of websites from this section. Let's see this one from Boots, 55% price drop, mostly 50% off, 62%, and many more. So check out all our latest price drops deals. And lastly, our general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it. That would be all for today's recap. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone!